Ever pondered the significance of clean well water? It's a question that holds immense importance. The water from your well is not just a resource, it's a lifeline, the sustenance of your home, and the key to your family's health. So, how does one ensure the well water they're drawing is clean, purified, and safe? The answer lies in choosing the best well water treatment system. But how does one navigate this complex process? Here's a step-by-step guide to make it simpler. Step 1. Test your water. The first and foremost step is to understand what's in your water. Contact Soft Pro Water Systems to get a test kit and test your water for contaminants. They'll provide you with a detailed report of what's lurking in your well water, from bacteria to heavy metals. Step 2. Determine the type of treatment needed. Once you have the results, it's time to decide what kind of treatment your water needs. If your water contains bacteria or viruses, you'll need a disinfection system. If it contains heavy metals, a filtration system is required. Step 3. Research different treatment systems. There are a plethora of treatment systems available in the market, each with its own set of features and benefits. Take time to research and understand each one. Look into their effectiveness, maintenance requirements, and lifespan. Step 4. Consider the size of the system. The size of the treatment system should be in accordance with the size of your home and the amount of water you use, but also the flow rate of your well pump. It is important to size a filter system based on well pump flow rate to ensure the water filter system can flush itself properly. A small system might not be able to handle a large volume of water, while an oversized system can end up being too large for your well pump to clean it properly. Soft Pro Water Systems. .com has resources to help you gather the information you need. Step 5. Evaluate the cost. The cost of the system is a crucial factor to consider. However, don't just look at the initial price tag. Consider the long-term costs like maintenance, replacement parts, and energy consumption. Step 6. Read reviews and get recommendations. Check out customer reviews online and ask for recommendations from friends, family, or neighbors who have a well water treatment system. Their first-hand experience can provide valuable insights. Step 7. Install the system. Once you've made your choice, it's time to install the system. Soft Pro Water Systems has all the resources you need and ensure an easy and trouble-free installation for your water treatment system. In essence, choosing the best well water treatment system involves understanding your water, determining the type of treatment needed, researching different systems, considering the size and cost, and reading reviews and getting recommendations. And finally, sizing the well water treatment is crucial, so visit softprowatersystems.com to ensure the system is the proper system to treat your well water and operate properly. Remember, the goal is to ensure the water in your home is clean, safe, and healthy. So take your time, do your research, and make a choice that best suits your needs and budget. The health of your home and family depends on it.